You are about to spend somewhere between $2,000 and $15,000 on kitchen appliances. A refrigerator, a range, a dishwasher, maybe a microwave. And if you walk into a big box store and buy the brands they push the hardest, you will replace at least 2 of those machines within 7 years. That is not a guess. That is what 33,000 real service calls from Yale Appliance, surveys from Consumer Reports covering 239,000 appliances, and interviews with 7 independent repair companies all confirm. Some of the biggest names in your kitchen are quietly the least reliable products in your home. Today, we are going through 10 brands, 5 that are robbing you blind, and 5 that are actually worth your money. No sponsorships, no affiliate links, just the repair data and the technician testimony. Let us start with the brands to avoid. Number 5 on the avoid list, Frigidaire. Frigidaire has been around for over 100 years. That name recognition is the only thing keeping this brand alive, because the appliances certainly are not. Frigidaire's overall service rate is approximately 21.8%, according to Yale Appliance. That means roughly 1 in 5 Frigidaire appliances needs a repair within the first year. Their refrigerators are the biggest offenders. Compressor failures, defrost drain clogs, and cheap gaskets that let warm air in are the top complaints from technicians. Their dishwashers are not much better. The control boards are sensitive to moisture, which is a problem for a machine that fills with steam every time it runs. Frigidaire used to be a reliable mid-range choice. Today, it is a brand that trades on a name it no longer earns. At this price point, you are paying for the logo, not the engineering. Number 4, LG Kitchen Appliances. LG makes excellent washing machines. Their kitchen appliances are a different story. LG refrigerators use a linear compressor that moves a piston back and forth, instead of spinning in an oil bath like a traditional rotary compressor. LG claimed it was quieter and more efficient. They did not advertise that it fails more often than the technology it replaced. A class action lawsuit forced LG to extend their compressor warranty to 10 years. That warranty exists because they know the part fails. 6 out of 7 independent repair companies interviewed by Prudent Reviews advised against buying LG refrigerators. One technician in Boston reported that LG restricts training to certified dealer technicians only. That means most independent repair shops cannot get parts or documentation. If the nearest LG certified technician is 90 miles from your house, that 10-year warranty is worthless. LG ovens and ranges are middling, not terrible and not great. But the refrigerator reliability alone makes LG a brand you should think twice about putting in your kitchen. Number 3, Samsung. Samsung is the most complained about kitchen appliance brand in America. All 7 repair companies interviewed by Prudent Reviews advised against Samsung refrigerators. Their French door ice makers have been the subject of a class action lawsuit citing over 600 customer complaints. The ice maker sits in the refrigerator compartment instead of the freezer, which means it is trying to freeze water inside a box that is designed to stay at 38 degrees. The seals fail. Frost builds up. The fan motor burns out. Owners go through 3 or 4 ice maker replacements before giving up. But it is not just the refrigerator. Samsung's dishwashers have some of the highest complaint rates for control board failures and drainage issues. Their ranges suffer from igniter problems. And when something breaks, Samsung's parts availability is notoriously poor. Multiple independent repair shops across the country have publicly stated they refuse to work on Samsung appliances. When the people who fix things for a living will not touch a brand, that is the only review you need. Number 2, GE Profile. This one surprises people because GE is a trusted American name. But GE Appliances was sold to the Chinese conglomerate Haier in 2016. The standard GE line is still acceptable. GE Profile is where the problems start. Yale Appliance tracked GE Profile's first-year service rate, climbing from 16.5% in 2023 to 21.6% in 2025. That is a 30% increase in failures in just 2 years. GE Profile products are loaded with smart features, touchscreens, and connectivity. Each one is a potential failure point. Their French door refrigerators suffer from the same ice maker problems as Samsung. Their wall ovens and ranges use electronic control boards that are sensitive to heat and humidity. You are paying a premium for the Profile badge. What you are getting is a standard GE appliance with more electronics and a higher repair bill. Number 1 on the avoid list. Any kitchen appliance you buy because of its smart features. This is not a brand. This is a category mistake. In 2026, every major manufacturer is pushing smart refrigerators with touchscreens, internal cameras, and Wi-Fi. Smart ovens you control from your phone. Smart dishwashers that send you notifications. According to the J.D. Power 2025 Reliability Study, appliances with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth experience 87 problems per 100 units. Appliances without connectivity experience 63 problems per 100 units. That is 38% more problems just for having a Wi-Fi chip. A touchscreen on a refrigerator is a computer mounted on the front of a machine that runs 24 hours a day in a humid kitchen. The screen fails. The software stops updating within 3 to 5 years. The apps crash. The replacement display board costs $300 to $600 for a feature that tells you there are eggs in your fridge. You already know there are eggs in your fridge. The fewer features, the fewer failures. That is not opinion. That is 33,000 service calls worth of data. Now for the 5 kitchen brands that are actually worth your money. Number 5. Whirlpool. Whirlpool is not glamorous. It does not have a touch screen. It does not connect to your Wi-Fi. What it does have is the lowest overall repair frequency of any major brand, according to Appliance EMT service data from 2025. 4 out of 7 independent repair experts interviewed by Prudent Reviews recommend Whirlpool refrigerators specifically. Parts are available everywhere. Every independent technician in America can work on them. A mid-range Whirlpool refrigerator costs $800 to $1,200 and will quietly run for 15 years, while your neighbor's Samsung is on its 3rd ice maker. Simple engineering wins. Number 4. KitchenAid. KitchenAid is owned by Whirlpool and shares the same manufacturing DNA. The difference is slightly better features and finishes. KitchenAid ranks highest in dishwasher reliability, according to J.D. Power, with 63 problems per 100 units, beating both Bosch and GE. Their stand mixers are legendary, but their built-in appliances are where the real value lives. KitchenAid refrigerators and ranges offer premium design with Whirlpool reliability underneath. It is the upgrade that actually makes sense. Number 3. GE Appliances, not GE Profile. Standard GE. The base GE line still holds up. GE ranks highest in cooking appliance reliability, according to J.D. Power, with just 37 problems per 100 units. Their side-by-side refrigerators are among the most reliable in the industry at 52 problems per 100. GE also has one of the deepest repair networks in the country. When your Miele breaks in a rural area, good luck finding someone within 100 miles. When your GE breaks, there is almost always a technician nearby. Reliability only matters if you can get it fixed. GE wins on access. Just stay away from the profile line. Number 2. Bosch. Bosch dominates the dishwasher category. Their service rate of 7.7% is among the lowest. Yale Appliance has tracked across 33,000 service calls. Their crystal dry technology, which uses zeolite minerals, actually dries plastics, which almost no other brand can do. Bosch refrigerators come in at 12.5% service rate, competitive for a category where French door models routinely hit 20%. Bosch is engineered in Germany and built to meet European regulatory standards, which are stricter than American standards on efficiency, repairability, and chemical safety. A Bosch dishwasher, priced from $700 to $1,500, is likely the last dishwasher you will buy for the next 15 years. The engineering justifies the price. Number 1. Miele. At a 5.6% first-year service rate on dishwashers, Miele is the most reliable brand Yale Appliance has ever tracked. Not the most reliable this year, the most reliable ever. They test every machine for the equivalent of 20 years of home use before it ships. They manufacture nearly every component in their own factory in Germany. Spare parts are available for at least 15 years after a model is discontinued. A Miele dishwasher starts at $1,200. A Samsung dishwasher at $600, if replaced every 5 years, costs you $2,400 over 20 years. One Miele costs half that and lasts twice as long. Miele is not expensive. Everything else is expensive. You just pay for it slowly. Here is the rule. Before you buy any kitchen appliance, ask the repairman, not the salesman. The salesman earns a commission when you buy. The repairman earns a living when it breaks. One of them wants you to spend more. The other one wants you to call less. Trust the one who benefits from your appliance lasting longer. Stop buying the brand name. Start buying the repair record. Subscribe, because next week we are exposing Samsung specifically. There is a reason 6 out of 10 repairmen refuse to work on them, and it is worse than you think.